Yeah, Robbie Malinga studio nathi sekwamkela kumhlobo wenene FM. Robbie phinde wabuya kakhona.
Man, thanks man. Ngiyabonga ukuthi Umhlobo Wenene ngi-invite for the second time.
Ayisho.
Album eliyi-1.
Yeah. Ufiso ngulo wayicula le ngoma kudala wana. Singala.
Yeah.
Wow. Umxolani.
You know, Usifiso sa like before singing my love song. Sacula Winsimbi together. Winsimbi. Usifiso lapho, you know. And then when I was doing this album, as yakhumbula last year ngasho ukuthi this is my last album.
Yeah.
I heard ukuthi naye ngithi no Usifiso come. Yeah.
Isingle yesingaphi album le. Kwakukhupha single since last year.
Singles njalo nje.
Zingaphi ingoma bo? Zi12.
Yeah.
Yesingaphi le single?
It's 4. Yeah.
It's 4.
Yeah.
So sasheke nenye into pha for 8. Yeah. For 8 singles. Sawungena ku 2020 uRobbie sakhupha single leside. Bamiwa. Ndiyabona last time sine interview nawe inkosikazi yakho ndayicapukisa kakhulu.
Yeah, she was not the happy person.
Uthini? You know. No masiyeke.
Not again.
No masiyeke. Siyangena no Robbie abasidibana no put Mike Boni. Uthi put Mike here noba sokuthi into ziyafana nguRobbie lo. Robbie na ucula naye wonke umuntu ophilayo. Kule album yakhe baninzi abantu abafeatures le sasesinqokole ngayo kade yonke ophilayo. But Robbie i-formula yakho wonke umuntu xa usenza into I'm sure nawe bana i-formula yakho i-structure sengoma uthi yabona masiqale nge-chorus okanye masiqale ngalela okanye ndicinga i-artist ethile engqondweni uhlale nayo but ithini i-formula yakho because zonke i-singles eziphumile hit after hit.
Yeah man, I think experience here the mother of everything, you know. Dala ngikhona ke mina ngiqale nabo Sibuli nabo.
Melu charge half price
sokufaka phaka la line.
Charge half price.
And on a serious note, like, and kuye kwanginceda lokho ukuthi dala ngikhona. When I do a song, I'm thinking ukuthi okay, sikwenye ikhila le key ngafanele abantu.
Yeah.
You know. We don't just do a song good bese ngithi okay le ifuna mafikizolo or le ifuna ukarabo rubani ngiya research aqala ngibheke ngimamele nengoma zalelo artist.
Okay.
By the time ngikubiza studio we don't waste time, we just record the song.
Oh, because uyayazi into yenza akho need yoba manje benichithana nexesha.
No. I mean ngeke uthatha ingoma manje uyizwa ukuthi le ifuna uquesta.
Yeah.
Bese uyahamba uyofonela
Caspanya verse
Musa. It don't work. Yeah.
Ikusebenzele le album. This date.
Yeah, and namanje I'm here to say thank you very much.
Yeah.
Ngoba mangi-release ngi-release in November, and then now we're sitting on platinum and it's still selling.
Yeah.
And ngizile la kumhlobo wenene because mayicala ngingakathengisi na even one copy I came here and said night words and ngicela support and you supported me so much. All the singers were on high rotation on this station and ngizile ngizothi ngiyabonga kakhulu. I'm here to say thank you.
Kukho envelope brown okay sawunqola bakwesho
ngicela ungafakwa mina bengekho.
Now kona ke Robbie on a serious note awukwazi ungayichaza ungakwazi ungayifaka ku high rotation i-product efana le awukwazi
so udlalele emodweni le uyidlala yonke uphinde uyithi ku repeat egqibeleni.
And nina estrips izinde nizithatha konke weekend xa funeka niyosebenza ngaphandle ikhona ihlala kwi-cubby hole yakho. You know cause zeze uyazi ndifaka ku track number 1 and skip ihambe yotsho egqibeleni ihambe nje igqibe uyawuphinda uyiphinde kakhona xa uphinda ubuya kakhona zi-album ezifana nezo awukwazi utsima ngoma.
Yeah man, excited ngale album, you know, because bese ngisaba ukwenza i-album. That is why maybe this is my last offering. Because after all the success that I've done ngamanye artists, like especially young artists, Zahara, Ntando, like I was very fortunate. Okay, Khumalo bonke la ngithinta khona kuvele kube big. Ngasaba nami ukwenza album uthi engizothi ngiyathatha la mflop bathi it's a fluke this one. And then I was lucky with manje people have bought this album and they're still buying it. And thanks for your support. And to laba bangakalithengi, we've got a new single manje lebesidlala Nguwelo featuring Fiso. Let's make history, man. Let me buy out in style.
Nyansini.
Mfuna mangihleli lapha yana kuphethu.
Yeah.
Sengiretire ngithi. You wait for me.
Asifane siyenze ke into yoba sivula umnxeba ke sithatha abaphulaphuli kodwa ngibona indlela leni iminxeba yethu edanyaza ngayo khe ndive nje umyalezo kubaphulaphuli bababini babathathu sibanike ithuba lokuncokola noRobbie. Mhlobo hello.
Mhlobo hello.
Sikhona bhuti sithanda nabani?
Khona bhuti uthetha noLona kamthetho eNgcobo.
Lona nangu Robbie una iCD yakhe?
Hayi ndizoyithenga ngiqobo muva ngoku bhuti omdala.
Wow.
Ayisho. Nangu mamelo Robbie.
Ya ndimamele ndiyaqala ungena apha kumhlobo wenene ndiyabulela.
Amazandla ayisho. Siyabulela nangomnye Mhlobo hello.
Molweni.
Sikhona bhuti kunjani?
Kuhle bhuti akhondo ndiyaqala nokuphumela ndikena neva.
Welcome right through ubani igama mfeni?
Kuluveni ehlahleni eDurban.
Luveni nangu Robbie.
Oh Ruby right.
No ngi-right man, unjani wena baba?
Ku right.
Hey,
Kodwa zayithetha ngoba ngifuna ukuthi nje umculo wakho ndawuthanda bhuti uqhubekele phambili.
Thank you very much. Ngiyabonga baba.
Shop ngasikhulu wokugqibela Mhlobo hello.
Pastor
Sikhona bhuti kunjani?
kuhle manje kungazelele manje ndifuna ubulela ngalasidi ndayiphumele lapha ngelaxesha belapha kulonya kuphela manje ndiyabulela
leka Robbie
Usayigcinile.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Ikuphethe kahle.
Kahle great mali wesi le ngoma ibelidlala manje.
Uwena
Folo ngoma le.
ucenga nokucenga ngayo apha endlini. Awumoshi.
Wacelela mina nginamba 4 le ngoma elidlala.
Ayisho. Awuyayazi inkosi kakhulu. Robbie ubomi bakho xa sesigqibezela buyabonakalisa into yokuba kule industry yomculo akunyanzelekanga into yoba sonke masibe ngaphambili stage. Iyabonakalisa lonto leyo. Ubhalile for abantu abaninzi bawubunoza nealbum yakho apho ubhalele khona abantu hits abantu bangothuka abanye abangayazi. Ithetha lonto le there is a fame and there is imali emculweni behind the scenes as well.
Yes. I think yenye into engizoyisho especially to young artists. This is a big pie. Uyakhetha ukuthi ufuna ukusika kuphi. You know and you know music is not just fame and glitz and glamour. It's business as well. Yabona if ungazi the business part of it and then yabancenga wonke ama-artist, you know, I'm tired of reading articles ukuthi Banbani is poor, Banbani couldn't pay what, Banbani couldn't do what. Because we get into this business not knowing the business side of it. Asisifundiseni the business side of it so that sizokwazi ukuphila sithathe njengomsebenzi.
Yeah. So the album yakho yokugqibela lena ugqibile ngoku but uzosebenza nezinye
Chayile ngoba sengicole na wonke umuntu ophilayo.
Ubrama ke seyithile yonke lento.
Mhlawumbe indlela athi ungayekela abanye abantu. Robbie lilonke usiphathele uthi platinum i-plaque yakho platinum for istage.
For stage,
Hayi sure no siyabulela.
Thank you to Umhlobo Wenene and thanks to management. Thanks to everybody. Thanks to you guys. Pastor Patko is not here anymore. You know, when you come here, the whole nation is like laughing and saying, yes, it's real about you don't have a good voice, but you still have a fire CD. You know?
Mama Malinga kafuna ngo.
Bavuma Malinga wathanda elilizwe.
Bakalo. Wokundixeka ijudgment yakhe.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much, SABC. Thank you to everybody. And the album is still available in my shop. It's a corner week. But as when shop behind the scene, let me put out in style. I mean, I think it's more than 200,000. Need mangle kaya ngazi with Hanon.
Ngosikakhulu Robbie Malinga ke lo xesha lakho i25 imizuzu emva kwensimbi yesibhozo sibame ngazibini kuye ibalekile la nokuthiwa ngombulelo kakhulu ungenzi nje uthi sozibona phambili ulibale ba ubusuka phinana abantu abakubeke kanye kuloo ndawo siyabulela kuRobbie nathi ngosinika ithuba loba sihlale naye kwakhona namhlanje esithi zokubulela apha kuthi ngosikakhulu bra
Umhlobo Wenene FM 88 to 106